My name's Adam. I'm here to pitch Wizard.AI. Let's get started. So Wizard.AI started with an observation. Companies today need to address AI risk. This observation is backed by a few relevant trends in the market. One, 2020 made clear the threat of reputational risk from misusing AI, whether it be from Zuckerberg's algorithms, machine learning headlines. Only 25% of consumers trust AI decisions humans. It's not reputational risk, financial. And of 5 days, I'm sure you all heard this, Zillow lost $6 billion market cap and had to lay off a quarter of its workforce because of poor assumptions in its ML models. If these blue chip tech companies aren't safe from these issues, then few are. And all these risks have accelerated incoming regulation. GDPR already requires a right to explainability in ML decisions, and similar regulations will soon reach most customer-facing ML applications and industries. 31 countries introduced new AI regulations in 2020 alone. And I saw the consequences of AI risk in my own work as a machine learning engineer when COVID blew up every model that my company had in production. And the same thing happened to pretty much every model at every company. It made clear to me that current ML models were built and needed to evolve to be better to adapt to changing. And this is when I started to dig deep into this idea of AI, the development of fair, robust, and ML models need to address the arising risk of AI problems. But no one in mobile was talking about this. And it made me think, why, if AI risk is such a present day, are so few companies addressing it? And after some interviews and research, I found the answer. It's because they can't. There are 3 core reasons companies today cannot address AI risk. One, they don't have the internal expertise to address it in the first place. 2 is they can't get the significant internal resources for this large-wide initiative. 3, companies just cannot self-audit their models. It's just nearly impossible to keep your own first bias. Wizard.AI enters. We quickly and masterfully empower companies to launch reliable AI with confidence by providing an org-wide battle-tested toolkit for AI robustness, sustainability, and auditing. We address these 3 core reasons to not do reliable AI themselves. We are strong domain experts. We make missions extremely easy, and as a third party, we actively audit data and these mitigate AI risks and create trust, peace of mind leaders that their ML initiatives are robust, fair, and highly efficient. Clicking down on the 3 pillars I mentioned, pen test ML models, a new piece of production software to uncover those data vulnerabilities and risks that would be exploited. Second, we utilize our third-party fairness dataset and cutting-edge explainability techniques to crack open those black box models and find drivers of models, highlighting these while also providing powerful insights into your customers, your models, and your data. And finally, constantly audit your input to ensure to these reliable AI principles. Act accordingly the moment they fail. Reliable AI doesn't start until a model is in the wild reaching customers. Final benefit is fundamental to any company making important decisions for their end users with AI. I included a tech spec here to show that this product is feasible, not just a bunch of slides, and also that the integration fast and no code. My co-founder Mo made his name creating simple and easy B2B integrations, and we can finish all of our complex analyses extremely. This is highly relevant to social good initiatives. Innovation factor is interest, primarily reducing quality. Our customer persona is a CTO or VP engineering at an AI-powered customer technology company. These tech strategists feel the need to utilize cutting-edge ML to beat competition, but also assist using these complex models. Industries feel AI most are fintech tech, specifically digital lending in fintech, personalization, evaluation in tech. We have a large, rapidly growing addressable market in both fintech and edtech, both spaces being hot competition and crucially without big players to bully startups out. MLOps is, of course, a hot space right now in the VC community, but most are focused on the productionalization of rather than operations or explainability, and certainly not reliable AI as a service. This is where our product shines in our compared to our in preliminary customer calls. We hope to go after mid-sized fintech companies as our beachhead market segment, mostly because they are already heavily invested in AI, feel this direct pain of AI risk. Our team is built to solve this problem. Mo and myself have years of experience working directly on ML systems, delivering value, and have felt this pain as a user ourselves. We both joined Retina.AI as first-time employees. I was number 2 before Mo, don't let him forget it. And we went through several rounds of funding together as the company and our roles grew. Excited to do that together again at Wizard.AI. We're asking for a seed round of $750 to accelerate our engine sales team growth so we can land multiple significant SaaS contracts in 2022. And particularly of Innovation Factory, we'd love to be introduced to people who share our visions for social good and would be interested in an advisory or internal position role. Thank you so much again for letting me pitch, and I'm happy to answer any and all questions you have.